Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are to consider this radical equation right here on the board. We are asked to solve square root of 28 plus square root of 112 minus square root of y equals square root of 175. Here, we are expected to find the value of y. And I put down here solution. I come down here with the question, square root of 28 plus square root of 112 minus square root of y equals square root of 175. Now, the first step you need to be considered is for you to collect like terms. If you do that, you're going to have here square root of 28 plus square root of 112. If you move square root of 175 down here to the right hand side of the equation, it becomes minus square root of 175. If you move minus square root of y down here, it becomes plus square root of y. Now, the next step for it to be considered is for it to express each term inside the square root in a common multiple. Now, you can see that 28 can be expressed as 4 multiplied by 7. The same thing here, 112 can also be expressed as a multiple of 7. The same thing here, 175 can also be expressed as a multiple of 7. Then as such, we are going to express each term inside the brackets with multiple of 7, as multiple of 7. Now, we have here square root of 28 can also be written as 4 multiplied by 7 plus square root of 112 can also be expressed as 16 multiplied by 7 minus square root of 170 can also be expressed as 25 multiplied by 7. The whole of this equals square root of y. Then, now, this can also be expressed as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 7 plus square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 7 minus square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 7 equals square root of y. Now, you break this down further. Square root of 4 will give you 2 times square root of 7, it becomes 2 root 7. Plus, here, square root of 16 is 4. Then we have 4 multiplied by square root of 7, that will give you 4 root 7. Then minus square root of 25 is 5. Then multiplied by square root of 7, that will give 5 root 7 equals square root of y. Now, you simplify this further. Now, you have 2 root 7 plus 4 root 7. That will give you 6 root 7 minus 5 root 7. That will give you root 7 equals square root of y. Now, you can cancel out y or square root, or you cancel out the square root, or you just square both sides of the equation to remove the radical sign. Then here square root will cancel out square here. Here square will cancel out square here. Then as such, we have here that y equals 7. And this is the value of y that will satisfy this given radical equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.